The Uniform Civil Code has been in trend for a long time now. Many are against it, while many are in support. What exactly is UCC? Let's learn about it in this video. The Uniform Civil Code, or UCC, is a proposed law that aims to replace personal laws based on religious practices with a common set of civil laws for all citizens. Some see it as a significant step towards promoting equality and secularism in the country, while others believe it is a way to impose the laws of a particular community. Well, let's also find out the truth behind these claims. Let's understand what is personal laws. India follows a system of personal laws that vary according to religious communities. These laws govern matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, and adoption. This makes the legal procedure complex as the law differs for citizens from different communities. The UCC aims to bring uniformity to these diverse legal frameworks to ease legal procedures. Why was UCC not implemented before? This topic might not have become this controversial if UCC had been implemented before. Following independence, there were differing views on the UCC. Bhimrao Ambedkar was in support of UCC, but Nehru rejected it as minorities may feel insecure. Therefore, the UCC was included in the Directive Principles of State Policy, DPSP, Article 44. This granted future governments the power to implement UCC. Due to personal law boards, some laws discriminate against women and don't provide them with relevant protection and equal opportunities. The UCC aims to empower women by providing them with equal rights and protections under the law. It also seeks to promote gender equality and eliminate discriminatory practices prevalent in personal laws that may disadvantage women by addressing issues such as polygamy. Balancing religion and state. The UCC aims to strike a balance between religious autonomy and the principles of a secular state. It seeks to ensure that personal laws do not infringe upon the fundamental rights and liberties guaranteed to all citizens. This will foster national unity by transcending religious boundaries and strengthening the sense of belonging and collective identity. For example, Maharashtra and MP give death penalty for heinous crime like rape, but other states don't. Challenges and controversies. The implementation of the UCC faces challenges and controversies due to concerns about religious autonomy and the preservation of cultural diversity, along with the fear of cultural hegemony. It is important to have open discussions and address these concerns constructively so that everyone understands the importance of the UCC and every native supports the legislature. UCC Blueprint. In Uttarakhand has recently released a blueprint regarding UCC. In Uttarakhand, a few suggestions, such as banning polygamy, raising the age of marriage for girls, etc., were approved out of 231,000 suggestions. The UCC of Uttarakhand is likely to become a template for a uniform civil code across the nation. Some other countries like France, Romania, and Turkey, etc., also have same laws for all people irrespective of their religious identity. Conclusion. Though it is not easy to implement UCC right now, just like the NRC, which was not targeting any community and was against illegal immigrants, there was still a wide-scale protest all over the nation. The UCC is also facing protests because of the misconception that it will target a religion and snatch their religious freedom. But that's not true. In fact, UCC will provide more freedom and uniformity for everyone across religions. I hope you have liked this video. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, and also share this video. Keep watching our channel Aspire UPSC for more such updates.